Okay, so we're inside the Jantar Mantar, and so that thing back there is used for measuring height. So that's what it does. So you can see this is an instrument which has like graduation marks on it. It goes all the way up on the top. Crazy, right? So I read that this particular instrument is used for measuring time and declination angle of planets, stars. Amazing. Let's see. That's how it looks on the bottom. Okay. Look at that. And just amazing what they've done. The instrument. I don't know if you can see, but there are graduation marks along the whole length of this platform. By the way, that's the Nahargarh Fort. Cool, right? I know, it's cool. And that thing back over there, that's used to measure time with the least count of 2 seconds. Not bad. Here's another instrument where they specifically, I don't see the details like how this instrument works. So let's see. I haven't read the description completely, but if you just see, it shows Aquarius and the related measurements for that, and this works on shadow. So I guess the central triangle, kind of like the shadow of this central triangle on each one of these sun signs or moon signs. I don't know exactly. Let's see what that is. I guess I'll have to go and check the description. It says Yantar, again related to altitude, coordinates, and azimuth angle. Okay, what it says. So this is the Yantar, which is kind of like used for measuring the altitude and the relative angular position of a celestial body. If you can see, there are like graduation marks. Now I don't know which is the top and the bottom, but when the shadow hits the top, it's the zero angle, like when the sun is rising. They have given a very critical explanation. So it's used for measuring local coordinates of a celestial object. Perfect, marvelous instrument. Another celestial object and instrument which is used for measuring. Oh, look at that. So I guess there are like different graduation marks, and the words that are written are related to horoscopes over there. There are graduation marks on the rim, on the circumference. In the middle you can see there are names scattered all over. So there are different horoscope signs like Capricorn, Leo, Taurus. And these are the two rings which are used, I think, for calibration and for measurement. I think on the other end. I think something is written on these things. Okay, Kapari Yantra, solving astronomical problems and measuring representation of celestial or graphical astronomical problems. Okay. So it's used for measuring the relative angular position of a celestial object. Let's see, let's go inside. Okay, it looks somewhat like this. Okay, and okay, yes, there are graduation marks on top of it. Again, it works on the same principle. There are graduation marks on top of it as well. Wow. So this is Dhruva Darshak Patika. Dhruva as in pole star and Darshak Patika as in viewing plate. It's more of like a rudimentary compass, not even rudimentary, high-tech compass of that time. It's an observation room. So I think I'm done here. So